Caroline and I am a teacher here at Pacific Science Center, and today I am going to teach you how to make fizzy paintings. For this project, you will need paper, a few cups, white vinegar, baking soda, watercolor paint, and a dropper. I also like to use a spoon and a tray because those help me keep things a little less messy. This paint is what's called concentrated, and what that means is that this bottle lasts a really long time, and I just take a little bit of the paint and mix it with water every time I want to do a project. But today I'm not going to use water. I am going to use white vinegar. So first, you're going to take some of your watercolor paint and squirt just a little bit in the bottom of your cup. And then I will carefully pour my vinegar maybe about that much, and mix it around. It doesn't smell like water, that's for sure. I like to make a couple different colors. If you don't have liquid watercolors at your house, you could also try just breaking off a little bit of solid watercolor paint and mixing that with vinegar and letting it dissolve in the vinegar. And that works pretty well too. The next thing I'm going to do is take my baking soda and scoop a little bit out and just sprinkle a little bit on the paper. Then I'm going to take my dropper. And droppers are a little bit tricky to use, but we can practice together. First, I'm going to, before I even put the dropper in the paint, squeeze the dropper. Then I'm going to keep squeezing it and stick it in the paint. And while it's in the paint, I am going to stop squeezing and let go. Ready? It scoops up the paint. And then I'm not going to squeeze it again until I'm ready to squirt the paint on the paper. Alright, are you ready to see what happens when I squeeze the dropper? Let's add another color. That's it. You just keep adding paint until all of the baking soda powder has fizzed away. If you use a lot of paint, it'll take a long time to dry, but that's okay. When it's done, it'll be a beautiful piece of art, and it was fun to make. Thanks for watching. See you next time.